Yeah, what's up, people? It's White Rice here, giving you another message. I am sick of this government shutdown. It's driving me crazy, it's tearing me apart. What the hell is going on in Washington, D.C.? Barack Obama, what's he come down to? He's just like Bowser, or that King Koopa. You're nothing much more than that Ganon dwarf. You're just like a troll on Xbox Live. Yeah. I'm sick of this politics. What's going on for once? It's just insane. What? I'm sorry. I cannot speak. I've just lost all hope in this government of the United States of America. This is the land of opportunity, not the loss of jobs. We have no national parks. We have nothing. But the president here is getting paid lots of money. This is sad. I mean, what else can we do? I know what we can do for once. Speak up for ourselves. Take down the rich and bring up the poor. We need Obamacare to help out those people. But the Republicans, they want all the money. Exactly. What's good for money at all? Money's just like a toy. Hell, it's even worth less. Yeah. You know what I think? I think that this nation is down underground. Exactly, even Dig Dug can't recover us. But you know what he can recover? Maybe the truth. What is wrong with this society for once? I say we need a shutdown, but not this type of one. I'm talking about the one for the minds and attitude. We need a shutdown, but not on our government, but for the people's minds. Yeah. My mind might be stuttering, but I don't really care as long as you hear the message. Yeah.